Hi all, we discussed condition formatting, and in that condition formatting I discussed custom formula, and custom formula uh, then I discussed uh, the conditional formatting on text, and this time I'm going to discuss some different, that is conditional formatting through the numbers. So this is also very easy concept, because the the difficult phase of custom condition formatting is the custom formula, which we have done, and this time we are going to apply condition formatting with numbers. So what are those condition formatting on numbers? Like greater than, less than, greater than equals, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and equals to, and not equals to, then between and not between. These are some condition formatting rules which we are going to apply today. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and I am going to apply uh, number condition formatting. For example, if I want, suppose I'm selecting this column. What I want that uh, first I'll try to implement greater than conditional formatting on numbers. So suppose if I am going to apply who are the students scored above 60%. So for that, first I have to select the column, because this is a percentage column. So I'll have to select this column so that I can highlight uh, those cells where the score is above and equals to 60%. Okay. So rather than selecting, I am selecting the complete column from K1 to K41. I'm not going to select beyond this. So go to the formats menu, because I want to apply conditional formatting with numbers. Conditional formatting. So before applying this condition, it automatically, the cells or the column automatically turns into this color. Okay, now I want to highlight those students who score more than 60%, greater than 60%. So greater than 60%, I'll have to simply write 60, and what I want to give the color to the text, I want to give the color as blue, and this I'm not going to take. So as soon as I select this and click on done, see here, 72.2, 71.4, these are the percentage of these students who score more than 60%. So if you want to change the color, you can do it easily. And this was greater than. Now I am going to check greater than equals to. So how to do this? So first I am going to select this one, the entire range. First I am going to delete this conditional formatting and delete this rule. Now I am going to apply another rule, which I am going to take greater than equals to. So greater than equal to is this. So what I am going to do here, I am going to apply greater than equal to 55, and 55, and do not want to cell to be highlighted, so none, but the marks should be highlighted with say green. Okay, when I say done, my range and the percentage which are above and equals to 55. So 55 above and equal to 55. So these numbers or these cells are highlighted. Okay, similarly I want to delete this rule and apply another rule. This time I am going to apply less than say 20 and cell highlight none and font highlight as red and say done. Let me see who are the students scored below 20. So as such, there is one student who scored less than 20%. Now I'll apply less than equal to 20%, or maybe first I'm going to delete this. Add another rule, less than equal to, and here less than equal to I'm taking say 33, not highlighting the cell, only highlighting the percentage and say done. So this is my condition formatting on numbers. Okay, so before I move ahead, I must request that you can also do it very easily. So if you want to apply this condition formatting in your worksheet where the data is based on the numbers, you can apply condition formatting on numbers. First I delete this and applying the formula is equal to I'll just say 50% if any student purchases 50% will be highlighted here. Done. So let me see who are the students exactly 50%. There is no student exactly 50%. So I'm going to change a bit. So I'm going to give say 71.4. So I'm going to change the rule 71.4 exact. Let me see if anybody. Okay, let me first delete the rule. Delete the rule and then I'll apply rule once again. Format, condition formatting equal to is equal to now taking 71.4 color say red, not taking this. Let me see what happens. Okay, it is not taking 70 exact matches, it is not taking, but greater than equals to it is taking. So let me apply another one, say 72.2. Maybe this just because of precision, and that is why it will take. When I apply greater than 71, it will definitely take. Let me check. If I apply greater than this one, or maybe 71.0, it will definitely take. So it is here. See here. So maybe exact match is it is not taking just because of the precision value. Maybe um, uh, I mentioned 71.4. It might have been 71.4.44321 and so on, and that is why it is not taking exact value. It is not taking because in case of precision value, we cannot make sure that the value will be like this or exactly the same which we are expecting. But if you apply greater than equals to, less than equals to, but in the case of integers, this is sure whatever value you are going to give, it will definitely take. Suppose I'm taking this I'm selecting this column, say here 55. I want to check 55 exact value. Conditional formatting is equal to is equal to 55. It will take. See here. So this is the integer value. So integer value is certain. This is ordinal because before this 54 will come, and after 55, 56 will come. But in case of 71.4, you cannot predict what should be the greater value, means what is the predecessor and what is the successor. So you cannot predict whether after 71.4, 71.402 will not come, or 71.45 will not come. So you cannot predict in precisional value, but in case of integer you can predict very easily. So this is how we can apply the number formatting. I'm going to read this again. Read this, and again I am going to delete this formula also, and the leftover rule is between. Taking data or the number, the percentage is between from here 50 to say 70, and I'll change the color of the font, and cell highlight is not required. When I say done, it will give you this 52. What is the formula? Formula is 50 to 70, because above 50 there are 3, above 50 there are, but above till 70 there's none. So if I apply the conditional formatting like below 71%, 50 to say 72, let me see what happens. So see here, 71 is included here, but 72 is not included in this. This one is not included. So 50 to 72, above and equals to 50 and less than equals to 71, 72, it will color as per the conditional formatting on the number between, and now taking not between also. I'm gonna delete this. what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take another rule, last rule. This is it's not between, so I'm going to give 50 and going to give 70. So below 50 and above 70 will be highlighted in red, and cell color I am not taking. So see here. So below 50 and above 70. So it is here, below 50 and above 70. So this is not between. So this is how we can apply condition formatting on numbers. So that's all for the day. If you like and if you want to apply this formula to highlight the cells or highlight the data in your dashboard or in your Google Sheet or the Excel, you can apply condition formatting with numbers. So we'll meet in the next video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it and drop a message for me so that I can be motivated. Bye bye.